Alright guys, I'm just showing you on the screenshot here. I'm just going to do this rotate pattern with two spare tyres. So I'm going to put the rears on the fronts go as spares, and the spares go onto the back. Yeah, the audio is a bit shit on this one, so I'm just dubbing over it in the lounge there. Alright.
So on these wheels I've got Allen key nuts holding on the caps. So you want to get your caps off, and then you'll be able to fit your socket onto the bolt. These are 21mm. Alright, we'll get in it. Alright guys, I've got an impact gun to help me out with this wheel, but you can use a standard socket and breaker bar to get these off. You want to get them started on the ground. Alright, this wheel's ready to come off, got those nuts off. Just want to put that in, get it out of the way, and rinse and repeat 4 times, and we'll orientate the tyres every time we go back on. Alright guys, so I've got the back tyres cleaned and ready to go on the front, and the back tyres, sorry, the front tyres are wheeled out to clean, and they're going to go kept as spares, and the original spares are going to go on as the rear treads. So, I'm going to show you, clean them up. Just give them a bit of noising. Just give them a bit of simple green. Just a bit of scrub. So I'll just let that sit for 10 minutes. That should come up pretty good. Alright guys, got all those wheels cleaned up, so ready to go back on. But I'm not liking this rust and that here, so I'll clean that up. Got a little flat wheel to give that a clean up. And then it's worth checking out all your bushings. Notice this bushing here is on its way out, so I'll put that on the list of things to do. Probably get to it in the next service, but yeah, it's worth checking everything behind here. Brake pads are probably going to be due too, so I'll probably do the pads, the drums, sorry, the calipers and the bushings all at the same time. Alright, I'll get into that and show you what it's like when I'm done. Alright guys, just to keep this rubber looking good, I use this Aerospace 303. I've just got the normal stuff at the spot, or just buy a refill. But basically I just dump it on here, and then just wipe that on, and give it a nice sheen. And I'll let that sit for about 20 minutes. And then I'll just wipe off the excess. That keeps the tyres looking good for a long time. I'll show you once I've wiped it all off. So that's what the tyre looks like once you've wiped off the excess Aerospace 303, and you'd be amazed how long it stays like that for. Alright guys, we usually run a bead along around the bead here, and that just stops rust coming around the lip there. And then I usually just spray the inside of the rim with a bit of this heavy duty and wipe it down, and that just stops everything sticking to it. Alright guys, on the bare metal on the hub, I usually just spray a bit of this Lennox heavy duty. Just make sure you don't get any on the caliper itself. A little bit goes a long way, so just get that on the bare metal surface, and that just stops the wheel from rusting. I think I left it too long before the last time I did this. So. A little bit on the studs. Just helps you get your wheel nuts off easier. A little bit goes a long way. Alright. Cheers. Alright guys, mounted back the wheel up again. What I'll do is put all the lug nuts in here. Center cap, I usually just spray them down with a bit of heavy duty lanolin, and just wipe them dry with a cloth. And it's a bit controversial, but it saves your threads from buggering up. I like these shit quality steel nuts, and the ends come off, and then the threads still manage to stay right, so I did that. Haven't had an issue with them coming loose, as long as you tighten them up with the torque wrench, and then about 150 newton meters I do, and then re-tighten them after about 100. Alright guys, now I've got the tyres back on the ground, just want to torque them up. I'll do these to 150 newton meters, and then after about 100 k's I'll keep double checking. Alright, 4 more to go.